So in today's video, we have the Ipsy, I believe in here is the Ipsy Plus and the Ipsy Glam bag. I don't know, but I usually have everything prepared, but I want to show you this. I have right here from the post office, and it says received in damaged condition. So I haven't opened it, and I wanted to open this together because that way if anything's missing or anything like that, you guys know. You know, I didn't open it ahead of time, so I'm kind of scared to open this, you know. So anyway, if you want to see what's in the box, see what the heck I'm actually opening, then keep on watching. Okay, really quick, I keep hitting the table, I apologize. So I don't really have any makeup on except for my eyebrows and my lipstick, and I do have skincare on. So if you don't know, I have my second channel, Just Anne's World, and I've been doing my walk and talks. I'm up to walk and talk number 8, I believe. I put up last night. I'll leave my channel linked in the description box, and I'll pin a comment. Anyway, so yesterday I overdid it. I walked like 30 to 40 minutes to get to the one place. Then it started raining. Then I had to walk back, and I overdid it. And I have I always want to say cardiac rehab every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So last Friday was like my initial, where they kind of like just get the information. I did the treadmill for like 6 minutes just to show me like how to put the heart monitor on, all this kind of stuff. And then today was really the first one. So you usually have, it's about an hour visit, but for the first few times, or I don't know how many times, weeks, they only want me to go for like a half hour. They don't want me to overdo it. And I did like arm things and different things like that. And she asked me like, you know, are you doing anything else? I said, well, I've been walking, and can I just tell you, she liked to have a fit and said I'm overdoing it. And I noticed like even today, I have a lot of pressure in my chest, not pain, but pressure. You know, I'm not like having trouble breathing. It's just, I can't explain it. So lesson learned, you know. Anyway, I just didn't have the energy to put a full face of makeup on, you know. So I don't even know why I'm telling you. Oh, yes, I am. If there's anything in here that I can try on, you know, I'll try it on. That was my point. I know. You guys know I'm a talker. I can't help it. All right, so let's open her up because I don't know like what's in here. If it's the Ipsy bag, what is it? I wanted to open it up with you. Okay. So when you open the box up, it says discover yourself. Now I do get this gifted to me every month. So everything comes together. I'm going to show you how it comes. Usually comes like this. And so, oh, this bag is gorgeous. Would you look at this? Oh, it's like my backdrop. I love flowers so much. You just don't understand how much I love flowers. I love this. But a lot of times they already have the things in here, but it may not be the right item. So I always have to look into my Ipsy account and put the right stuff in the right stuff. Does that make sense? I don't know why I said the right stuff twice. Anyway, so the theme for May is Wild Beauty. Ready? And then it says Fresh Take Challenge. Every day looks feeling a little mwah lately. I know that feeling. We can relate. Break out that beauty rut and show us your fresh takes. Try a new hairstyle, rock a fun shadow, or spill your best TikTok beauty hack. And don't forget, tag us at Ipsy. You know. Okay. So. Okay. Let me. Okay. I'm telling you, I'm not thinking straight. Let me show you the bag again. And right here. I mean, this is probably one of the prettiest bags that I've ever gotten Ipsy, in my opinion. I love it. And then this is like pinkish purple. And then you have the little thing here that says Ipsy. Now, it would have been great if it had silver instead of like the brassy color, because that's a personal preference. I like silver over gold. Okay. So there's a lot of things in here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 items. Now, a lot of times since I do get things gifted, a lot of times because this is gifted to me, they will put a few extra things in just to show you what you could receive. Okay, so this first thing is this First Aid Beauty. This is an eye cream, and would you look how tiny Oh my goodness. Let's see if there's a safety seal. I mean, probably not. Yeah, no. But it's an eye cream and you only need very little. Let's be real. But this don't make no sense. Oh, that's too funny. Okay. So we have that. The next thing is from Way or We. I ask you guys all the time in the comments, I'm like, how do you pronounce it? And you guys tell me, and I still forget. So I believe it's called Way. This is a body cleanser. So this is not a face cleanser. It's for your body. So that's good. And that's it. I mean, okay size, depending what size you are, you know. I don't know if this will do my whole body. If it does, maybe one time. But at least I can see how it feels. Do you know what I like to use like this, like try things out? Because I hate, do you ever have something and you still, when you wash it off, you have like, you feel like a residue? So, you know, it's enough to try it is what I'm saying, you know? Okay. The next thing is from Beauty for Real. And what you be? This is a lip liner. And this is in the shade Neutral. Right, so let me do a little swatch. This is what I went with the lipstick I have on it today. Ooh, that's pretty. That's gorgeous. Like, that's right up my alley. You guys know that. I'll definitely use this. Definitely. I have tried their eyeliners, and because I usually just put eyeliner in my waterline, and I really like the formula, so I'm excited to try this. Okay, the next thing is this Black Magic liquid eyeliner. And who you be? Is that this? Yeah, I guess that's, oh, Ico. I don't wear liquid eyeliner, so I will definitely put this in a future giveaway. This is from Lovecraft Beauty. This is an eyeshadow primer. Ooh. My favorite, I always tell you guys, is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's the Clean Canvas. And I have a discount code. It's just in all caps. It'll save you 30% off. And I use that every time I do my makeup, just about. But I'm always willing to try other eye primers, you know? And that's what she looks like right there. All right, and last but not least, we have from not content. What is that? Culture. This is the Fresh Star eyeshadow palette. Complex Culture. And let's see what you look like. I think these are like the quads, you know. And there we go. Okay, so I do have this one, so you get a nice, no, you don't get a mirror. It looked like a mirror because of the shininess. And that's what she looks like. I got this last month, I believe. So, because I do have my own account. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'll definitely put this in a future giveaway as well. It's a pretty, very pretty palette. And I'm into smaller palettes lately. When I first got into makeup, I liked the big ones, right? Now I like the smaller palettes, so. All right, so let's recap everything that you could receive in your $13 monthly beauty bag. So you could get this quad right here, this really gorgeous lip liner. You got a body cleanser, a black liquid eyeliner, and an eye cream. You know what? Since I have no, since I have no makeup on, let's put this eye cream on because I noticed, especially with all the stress that I'm dealing with lately in my personal life, like with my health and different things, I'm not sleeping. This is probably too much. And I'm getting a lot of bags, a lot. So I'm not sleeping, you know? All right, it's a nice cream, you know? I like it. All right, so let me put this all away and get to the Ipsy Plus. Okay, so this is the bag for the Ipsy Plus. This is $28 a month, and I'm definitely going to put this in my pocketbook. You know, I put like my makeup and different things in there, so I'm going to switch it out. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's thicker. Like, do you know how I always say some of the bags are a little thinner and some of them are a little bit thicker, and this is more of the thicker, you know? I think it's just gorgeous. But I did something wrong because there's only 4 things in here. So something in here must go in there. So when I show you this, I'll go into my account and I'll show you what was supposed to be in here. Okay, so the first thing is this hydrating cream. You know what? Let me look at my account. That way I can give you prices because with the full-size items, you can get prices. Okay, so this is from Pear Nova. It's a hydrating cream in coconut and eucalyptus. I don't know. But it does say Pear Nova on here. And this is $17.50, and it's full size. So, let's see. Has a safety seal. Yeah, we like that. Okay. Just going to put a little bit. Oh, that smells good. And this is pretty thick. It's thin, but it's thick. Like, it's in between. In other words, you can either wear this at night or during the day. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick. I hope I'm making sense. Do you know what I mean? Because for me, I like the thinner creams to put during the day and the thicker ones at night. But this is either or, if that makes any kind of sense, you know? I like it. And I don't know why I did that, because look, with the cap, you have that. Alrighty, Ann. So we have that. The next thing I've tried before and I really, really like. This is from Kate Somerville. And this is a goat milk. This is a moisturizing cleanser. And I do like this a lot. Actually, I have it in my bathroom now. It's almost gone though. But let's see how much that puppy is. Okay, so this is $38. And let me just show you what it looks like. And there we go. Decent size, and I can see by the lights it's filled up to here, so just about the top. But goat milk is really, really good for you. Let me know if you ever tried this and what you think of it. I've also tried the moisturizer, and that's really nice too. It came in like a tub, you know what I mean, that you take the lid off, you know, like in a jar. But let me know if you ever tried this and what you think of it. I like it. Okay, the next thing is from Rodeo. Now, we all know this brand is expensive AF. So this is probably gonna be expensive. It's a soft focus glow drops, and I believe we got this before. It's an illuminating ultimate glow primer. Didn't we get this before in a few months? I don't know, a while ago, you know. But this is a nice brand. Like, I'm not knocking the brand. I just know it's expensive, you know. Okay. Yes, this looks familiar. I think this is when we got the Ipsy X with the Khloe Kardashian. Am I right? I could be wrong because my memory is not too good. But I believe so, but I can't be 100%. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. I'm almost scared to look. I was right. This is $60. $60. Okay, let's do a little swatchy swatch. So it comes in like a little dropper. I'm just going to put like just a little droppy drop right here. Now this is a primer, not like a highlighter. And there we go. It's definitely illuminating like they said. This is really good for dry skin. It really, really is. I have combo skin where I'm oily in my T-zone and dry everywhere else. So I do tend to put stuff like this around here, especially like my forehead and stuff, you know. But I'll definitely try it out and give it a go and see how it is. I used to be into like the matte looks, right? I don't know why I said matte twice. But I'm more into now, like, not the like dewy look. I was getting ready to say dewy. But I like the not as matte. Does that like maybe satin look? I don't know how you would explain it, but I'm into that lately, you know. All right, so I'll definitely try this out. And last but not least, I got a palette. So this will be 4 items. Like I said, at the end, I'll see what else was supposed to go in this bag. Okay, so this is from Formula, Transforming Beauty. So this is a cheek palette. Back. So we would slide this puppy out like so. Oh. Okay, so you have a mirror, you just have to pull this off, and that's what she looks like. So it looks like blushes. I don't know what these are, if they would be highlighters or blush toppers. Let's see. Okay, these are the 2 like highlighting thingies. And that's what I mean, they're gorgeous. So very, very pretty. I mean, you can even wear them as eyeshadows. And then let's do the blushes, which are very pretty too. And there are the 2 right here. And that's just going in one time. See if it deepens up. Yeah. This is a stunning palette. All right, let me see what it's about. Okay, so this is from Formula Z Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before, and it is $32. All right, so let me figure out what goes to what, or maybe I'm missing something since the box, I mean, I'm surprised that the sticker said damaged because I don't see anything damaged, and the box didn't really like have a hole in it. So I don't know, maybe it was open. So let me figure it out and I'll be right back. Okay, I figured it out. The Lovecraft Beauty, this is a full size, and this is $18. This was supposed to be in the bag. So let's recap everything that you would have got in the Ipsy Plus for $28. So we would get the eye primer. You would get this palette right here. You would get this hydrating cream, and you would get this goat milk cleanser. Right? Is that everything? Oh. And the rhodial drops. So it's not a bad bag, I don't think. Is it my favorite? No. I wish I had more makeup in here, but it's not bad because everything in here I will try and I'll like, hopefully I'll like. But like, how can you go wrong with lotion? I tried the goat milk cleanser. I like it. This I'll definitely try because now I'm not into like all the, I was gonna say matte twice again, the whole matte look, you know. I don't want to be like oily, but you know what I'm saying. And I'm always willing to try an eye primer and also a cheek palette. You guys know I'm into blush. I like that sun kiss look, you know, like over the nose and different things like that. So I'll use everything. I just wish it was more makeup. Like, does that make sense? But, you know, it's not bad. I don't think it's that bad. Like, I've gotten worse. I've gotten better, but I've gotten worse. And as far as the Ipsy bag, I'm never disappointed because I know most of the time you get sample size and it's $13. Do you see what I'm saying? So I'm never really disappointed with this. But let me know what your thoughts are. What do you think of Ipsy? Are you still interested in Ipsy? Are you getting the Glam Bag X? Let me know if that's what you're doing. Let me know your choice. Today's the 2nd, so you guys had choice day. Let me know what you picked for if you get the, well, you wouldn't get the plus this month if you get the X. But even if you don't get the X and you get the plus, let me know down below what you got. Are we bag twins? Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Like I said, let me know what you think of the Ipsy bags. Let me know. My boxycharm was shipped, so I'm just waiting for that to come in. So as soon as that comes in, I will unbox it. We will be having a giveaway this month. Just to give back to you guys. So look out for that. Make sure you watch my videos. So make sure you have the post notification bell on. That way you know, because I don't put giveaway in the title or the thumbnail. That way you know. And I'm telling you, I think most of you will be very happy. It's only going to be one winner because shipping costs are expensive. But I want to give back for all of you guys when I was going through the issues that I went through and my health issues, and all of your prayers and your kind words. And I just want to give back just to show gratitude and thank you. So make sure you watch the videos, and that way you can get on the giveaway. All right, I'm going to get off of here. I'm done talking. I'm literally going to lay back down. So if you do watch my 2nd channel, I don't know if there will be a vlog up today. Mostly not, but definitely tomorrow we'll try for that. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.